Everyone's making Claude AI tips videos that just tell you to write better prompts. Cool, thanks. Today I'm skipping that. 5 things almost nobody talks about, including when you should not use Claude at all. Number 1, know when not to use it. First, the honest one. Claude is not great at real-time facts unless it searches the web and it can sound confident even when it's wrong. I'm sure you've seen situations like that, right? If you're doing anything that needs guaranteed precision like legal citations, medical dosages, exact stats, you should verify everything. Knowing where the edges are is what actually makes you a power user, not a beginner. Number 2, structure your prompts with tags. Here is one thing that actually moves the needle. Instead of jamming instructions and context together, you can separate them with simple tags like context and instructions. Watch what happens to the output quality. Number 3, don't regenerate. Edit in place. Most people, when an artifact or a doc isn't quite right, they just ask for the whole thing again. Don't. Ask Claude to change one section, a paragraph, a function, a slide. It's faster that way and everything else stays exactly how it was. Number 4, make Claude critic itself. Before you accept an output, ask Claude to review its own work. What's weak about this answer? What would an expert push back on? It catches its own gap more often than you would think. And it's a 5-second ask. That's simple, right? Tip number 5, feed it your errors, not just your fixes. When something breaks, let's say a code or a formula, a broken argument, instead of just saying like fix this, you can paste the actual error and ask why it happened. You will get real diagnosis instead of a patch, and you will actually learn the pattern as you stop hitting it. Now, some of the bonus tips are like you can set a persistent style or tone preferences so you're not re-explaining yourself in every chat. You can use extended thinking for genuinely hard problems and skip it for the quick asks. It just slows you down. Sometimes what helps me is that I paste screenshots, multiple screenshots with 2-3 examples. Instead of just describing what I want, I give it more context by giving it screenshot pictures. So those are the 5 things almost nobody covers. And if you want a full breakdown of the tag prompting, I'll go ahead and create a video for that. Let me know in the comments, based on your experience, what tip you would like to share about using Claude. So subscribe for more and see you in the next video.